Hi everybody, my name is Diego Zamudio and I'm here to explain how to measure current, voltage and understand Ohm's law. Here you can see me setting up the electric circuit with a couple of cables and resistors to simulate this experiment of getting voltages and current across this circuit. I gotta admit that it took me a little bit to put this stuff together because it was like the first time that I did it by myself, so I forgot a couple of steps, but nothing that I couldn't handle. I was setting out the voltage supplier, the voltmeters to measure the voltage and the current of resistors. So now I'm gonna show you how to measure these resistors voltages. So what you gotta do here, as in the video you can see, is put the red prong on the left, the black one on the right. So if you do that, you will get the voltage reading over here. Also, you have to put the voltage setting to get the voltage as I showed you in the video. And after of that, you can change it to the current setting. Here, as you can see, I'm passing to the right and everything. So then after we change it to the current settings and also we change the red wire to where it's supposed to go, that is the A10 max. Basically, for this type of measurement, we gotta have the prongs in parallel in between the resistors. And if we do that successfully, we will get a reading of a current on the voltmeter as well. Yeah. So here I got like a drawing of the circuit itself with the resistors that are all in series with the voltage on the left. I choose all the resistors to be 180 ohms, but because of this I have problems later because I forgot like a principle things of how to measure this thing in series. So yeah, the voltage is a volts, and what we're gonna do is basically name the currents of all these R, and that's one of the problems. I forgot that basically when the resistance are all in series and basically it's just one loop, all currents are the same. And here is Diego of the past doing the mistake. After a little bit, you'll see that basically I'll have my notebook with all the scratches and everything because I was trying to figure out what was going on. Yeah, as you can see here, I just figured that in this little drawing, all the resistors, uh, add them up to 540, so I could get the total current with this 540 and the edge voltage that it will be, if I remember well, 0.0014A. Yeah, as you just saw in the video on the calculator, I had the total current of the whole system, and that current applies to all the currents, I mean to all the resistors in the whole circuit. And it was that easy. It was those kind of like things that you see is that easy to be true. But yeah, this is a journey that we make mistakes, so we learn. And actually, I learned more from this than any other stuff that I did because I spent a lot of time doing this. I would say at least 2 hours. Yeah, it was pretty long. Yeah, so here we can see that for getting the voltages of all these resistors, I have to put these all currents, and I will change just a little bit the resistor values just to make it like different. Otherwise, all of them will be the same because in the real circuit that I did, I put all 180. So I should get all the values the same, but I changed just a little bit to get different values in here. Now I'm using the calculator. The first one I got 1.776. The second one, uh, I raised, so I put 51. Oh, I made a mistake. 54.7992. And the third one, just not to make this video much longer, 2.664. And this basically is a little thing how to show you guys how to measure the ohms, the voltage and current, how to use Ohm's law. Thank you.